What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight, good whatever it is, wherever you are on earth. It's your boy again this evening, David, live from IFX. Sorry, it's afternoon right now. It's just past 17 minutes past 1 in the Eastern time. So, people, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate everybody watching my video, following me on my channel. I really appreciate all Forex traders. I really appreciate stock, all capital market traders. I really appreciate you all, for the support you guys are giving me, the calls, the everything, the advice. I really appreciate it. Today we want to talk about UK crude oil. Like this afternoon, right now, I want to talk about UK crude oil CFD. And as it is like this, I did this analysis. Let me see. I did this analysis since last year. I've done this analysis for more than almost 6 months now that I've done this. All this trend line and all that. I'm not saying that the trend line that everything came up before 6 months, but I just drew some kind of now I just did some kind of line chart analysis, and I understand that the market is going to be like this. So should you look at what I write in this place? Should you look at what I write in this place? Or should you look at it? I did this very one on the 11th of December 2020, and I said, I quote, go watch my past video, you're going to see what I'm talking about right now. And I said in it, I said December 2020, I said it's still a bullish market. Should it go bearish at this point, it will still reverse and go bullish again. But now it's still bullish. I'll say it's going to be bullish till January 2021. This was what I said, and exactly it's doing exactly as I said. Just take a look at it. I said it that Bitcoin is going to rise, that it's going to go above 50,000. But right now as we speak, Bitcoin is around 39,000 something. You get it? As we speak right now. Even this morning it went like 40 and it came down a little bit again. So right now Bitcoin is like 39,000 something. And when I did the forecast, it was around I think Bitcoin was around 23, 24, 22, or I think that was in January. It was like 23 or 22 or something. I think like 19, but it was very low. But look at it right now. Bitcoin has really skyrocketed, and it has really proved itself in the cryptocurrency capital market. So this is EU stock. This is like I believe this is like a stock or indexes or something like that. Right now the market is really taking the direction that I forecasted that it would take. You get it? So it's a very good thing. It's a very good thing. When you do a trading analysis and you see that the market is going to the exact direction that you forecasted, it's something that will really make you happy. And people, please, before we continue, I'll really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click on the notification button on all of my social media pages, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. Read it. I'll really appreciate it if you could do that for me. I'll really appreciate it. Please, your boy need your support. So like we were saying, what really makes me believe that this market is going to go to this direction is based on the price action statistic of this very stock market. This really proves itself. This really shows what the market is about to do, which is a very, very good thing. All this bullish of a thing started, the action started around April 22, 2020. It's keep climbing up, you understand. It's keep going bearish, and it got to the stage there was a trade war within this zone. You get it? The trade war keep going. It came down, it went up, it came down, a little bit. But right now it has picked its momentum and it's going up. You get it? So I said it because the buyers are more than the sellers. Right now, those buying the share capital in the market are more than those selling right now. You get it? And it's like a kind of a war trade zone right now, but the market is going exactly as forecasted, which really makes me and my fellow co-traders happy. People, please, if you want to learn about forex trading, stock market, indexes, commodities, and all that, you could give me a call on Skype. Just go to Skype, type IFX, it will bring me out. Add me, give me a call on Skype. I'll definitely pick up your call. So I'm really happy that this market, is actualizing itself as forecasted. So I would like to use this medium to do some little analysis. Just take a look at it. Just take a look at the market. Should you watch this market, there was something like a trade war in this place. You understand? So there was no major say in the market that the market is going to change direction. All this place, we can't call it an indecision because it's speaking some language. There are some pin bar reversal. There are some engulfing bar. There are some dojis there that are trying to tell us that the market is trying to change direction, but it wasn't solid enough. You understand? It came to this point. The buyers are really low right now. The sellers are really dominating the market. But when it got to this very avenue, it makes its bullish turnaround decision, and it keep going up. You get it? So it's a very good thing. But people, for now, this is where I'll leave this to be for this very time. You get it? So please, I would really like to hear from you. I really like to I'll appreciate your comment. I like to hear what you have to say about this very market. I like to hear what you see there, what you believe that will happen in this market. I like to listen to your comment. Just let me know what you think about this market. Let me know what you see in this market. Let me know what makes you believe that this market is going to change. It's going to remain in some point, and it's going to reverse in some point. Just let me hear your comment. I really appreciate your polite comment below, and I really appreciate a comment that is related to this very market that I forecasted. Please, people, I don't appreciate the comment of somebody traded with me, so I give somebody money and it trade for me, and I make this and make that. If you post such comment, I'll definitely delete it, I'll unscribe it, and I'll definitely block the person. You understand? So because this is against the rules and regulation of IFX Inc. You get it? It's against one of the rules. So people, please, if you want to follow my pattern of trading, please, you could follow it at the expense of your own will. You get it? You could follow it at the expense of your own will. So this is all I have to say for now, people. Please like, share, subscribe, click the notification button in all of my social media pages: Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. I really appreciate everything you've been doing for me. I really appreciate you viewing all my videos. I really appreciate the calls and all the things, all the text messages, all the calls that you've been calling me, guys. Please stay safe, stay blessed, stay safe, stay secure, sanitize your hand. We're in quarantine as we speak right now. We're in a 1 month quarantine. So please, people, trade wise, trade safe, don't be greedy, and be calculative. God bless us all. See you in my next video. Thank you, everyone. Have a good one.